Everyone, this video is going to show you a few ways that you could use the zoom feature on your MacBooks for presenting or just teaching in general, or utilizing it as an accessibility feature for people to see from a long distance. So we all know that in our web browser, if you hold Command and press the plus or minus, it will zoom in and zoom out. A lot of times when we do that, it kind of makes your menu buttons zoom in very big, and it's kind of hard to see everything else. But that is a feature that you can use, which we all know. The other feature is if you have it turned on in your accessibility menu, if you hold Control and use two fingers on your touchpad on your laptop, you could gradually zoom in and zoom out to everything that you see on your screen. The trick is you put your mouse pointer over what you want to display, for instance this, and then I just do that gradual zoom, which is really nice. Sometimes it's beneficial just to do that, just to zoom in a little bit for everybody to see, or a lot, or none. So this works not only on a web browser, so if you're on a website, you can do this as well. Also, if you're on your desktop, you can do the same thing. So if you're displaying an image or an icon or whatever you're displaying on your screen, you could go here and you could zoom in and zoom out however you like. How do I get to this? How do I make sure that's turned on? Well, all you do is go to your Apple icon here, and then you go to System Preferences. You select Accessibility, and then you select Zoom. And as long as this one here is selected, you're good to go.